From the very beginning, Apple really wanted their products to be sleek, thin and very portable, sometimes even sacrificing performance for it. The MacBook Air Butterfly keyboard is perhaps the most famous example. This is iPhone Air review, Apple's sweet dream for phone's future. So, let's do it all. I think I should review this little one in 3 parts. What are its advantages? What are the sacrifices? And why? Advantages. It seems so pointless until you pick it up. It's very light, like you're almost holding nothing. It's just different, and unlike the Mini, the size isn't a problem, 6.5 inches. Of course, we've seen slim phones from Apple before. But no, this one doesn't bend. On the contrary, it's extremely resistant, and because it's light, it's also more resistant to drops. The back panel is premium matte ceramic shield, the front panel is ceramic shield 2, which is much more scratch resistant, and a little anti-reflective. The frame is also titanium. By the way, it's the only 17 phone with a titanium frame right now. It's extremely comfortable, very beautiful. The camera plateau here is really beautiful. The display bezels are very small and it really matches this thinness. What's the advantage? And here. Now the sacrifices. Let's start with the battery, where it's only 3000 mAh. But Apple says the ProMotion display, A19 Pro chip, 3nm technology and optimization make it perform better than the iPhone 16 Pro in video playback. But in the real world and outside of Apple's claims, no, the battery performance is not good until the evening in semi-heavy use. Only for the first year. A MagSafe battery has also been released specifically for the iPhone Air, which is also the same size as its own battery, and well, it increases the thickness and make the phone heat up even more. And yes, in heavy use, the phone gets completely hot, and the performance drop is very high. Of course, don't worry about the raw performance itself. The phone really flies around the UI. I think one of the reasons why the trend of thin phones was able to happen was silicon carbon batteries. For example, we could have seen a 4500 mAh battery here. But neither Apple nor Samsung has used it yet. And this is very strange, so why did you release it now? The next sacrifice is the stereo speaker. Now it's mono, it's not very loud, and it has almost no bass. But the sharpness and overall quality are good, not bad at all. Did you see the single camera? 48 megapixel, and its sensor is the iPhone 17 sensor. The selfie camera is also ultra-wide and 18 megapixels, like the entire series. You don't have a telephoto and ultra-wide camera on a $1,000 phone. But that one camera is quite good. In daylight, colors are very good, the dynamic range is excellent, the detail is excellent, it's not as good as the Pro, and the white balance is also accurate. The bokeh photos also recognize the subject very well and the blur is very natural. In night mode, the detail is good, the dynamic range and colors are excellent, there is a little noise, but the photos are not soft. You only lose a little detail at 2x zoom, but don't zoom in too much, in my opinion. Selfies are also unique, and if we factor in other lenses, the iPhone is still the best choice for videography. And that's it. The camera wasn't a big sacrifice. But all this aside, why? Who asked for a thin phone? The first argument is that, well, technology is there now, many people don't do too much work with their phones, so why not? Apple also loves to be thin, and this could be a preview. Another possibility is that foldable iPhones are on the way. And this is a preview or even a test for that. If I were to say in terms of value for money, if you really don't love thinness, No, the 17 is better and even cheaper. The 17 Pro is also much better. At least for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you next video.